Thank
Thank
you.
you so
Sorry.
much.
Yeah.
As you have already mentioned, Miss Susie, that you worked in HR. How do you see OStaff? What change are you expecting it from the specific digital product of OnPassive? How is it going to be different from other HRMS softwares?
I can't even compare it to anything else. And if you heard Ash on the roundtable, they have CCTV, closed caption TV, integrated into this product. And this is the first platform to have all of that under one umbrella. So what does that mean? What it means is businesses are going to have, and employees, staff, companies, everyone out there is going to want and need OStaff for a variety of reasons. It's simple. It's a single sign-on. You do not have staff or managers hopping from one application to the next to do payroll, to hire someone, to do staff education, to do their accounting, to do their performance appraisals. When I worked in the field, we had 4 or 5 different applications. We had to train employees how to get in and out, how to do different functions. We had to train managers. There was a cap on how many employees you could have, how many managers. See, Ash does not operate with a cap on things. So companies are gonna look at this and say, oh my goodness, this is the answer to my prayers. They're going to not only save money, that's a given. They're going to have more value in the products. They're going to save a lot of money, a lot of money. They're going to have more value in the products and services. Their employees, managers, and staff are going to be a lot happier because everything is easily accessible and easy to communicate through. And they're going to realize that they are going to save time, not just money, because they won't be doing repetitive steps. So if you listen to Ash, he talks about how artificial intelligence, machine learning are embedded in the products, meaning let the system do the work for you on repetitive steps. It's going to do a lot of the thinking and tasks for you. I just see it huge. And as far as CCTV goes, if you have a business with back rooms, with inventory, with staff on the sales floor, whatever it is, to have CCTV in there to be able to help manage your business when you can't be there, to log in, one sign on, and be able to see or review video if there's an issue or a problem. That is just mind-blowing. And it's unbelievable what he has put together. And he even said when he travels, he will be able to, because we have offices everywhere, he'll be able to see what's going on, you know, and be able to keep a handle on things. How beautiful is that? Tremendous. Can't even do it justice. Yeah.
Yeah, that's amazing. That's amazing. I'm working in a company where we have that HRMS software, and we have to update our leave on that system. If we have to apply for a leave, we have to update it prior, 1 or 2 days prior to have to be on a leave for a day or 2. Yeah. And that's how it works. And still, there are many functions that are missing in that software, but you have explained amazingly, and I'm thrilled to listen that how it's going to be different from other softwares, and it is going to make an impact all over the world.
Yeah, just think about this. If we also have Hire embedded in that, which is a platform for new employees to come on, get their paperwork. I mean, how beautiful is that going to look to a prospective employee who's applying for a job with a company who has OStaff and has Hire, that they're going to be able to very easily apply for jobs, they're going to say, wow, this company has their act together. You mean I can get everything done here? And then the manager who's reviewing the application, it's going to be easy and simple for them to look at applications. Artificial intelligence is going to be able to look for the right background that they have, the right experience they have, match them up to the position. It is going to be wonderful. And those employees are going to be so happy that it's a simple process. And then when they join that company, to see all of the things they need to be successful are a single sign-on in one place. I mean, it's just going to add so much hidden value to the workplace.